Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews of the best products out there. In today's video, we're looking at what might just be the best quinoa you can buy. Bob's Red Mill Organic White Quinoa. Whole grain, USDA certified organic, non-GMO, vegan, and kosher. Let's dig in and see why this little grain has earned such a big reputation. First, let's talk about the brand. Bob's Red Mill has built a name for itself as a trusted leader in natural and organic foods. They're known for quality, transparency, and for offering products that meet a variety of dietary needs. Their organic white quinoa is no exception. For starters, this is whole grain quinoa, meaning it retains all the essential nutrients of the seed. It's naturally gluten-free, so it's a great alternative for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. It's also high in quality plant-based protein and a good source of iron, making it a perfect fit for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking for nutrient-dense staples. The packaging we're reviewing today is the 13-ounce bag, and it comes in a pack of 5. So you're getting over 4 pounds of organic quinoa, more than enough to get creative in the kitchen. The packaging is sturdy and resealable, which is great for freshness and long-term storage. Now let's get into preparation. One of the most common complaints with quinoa is the bitter taste if it's not rinsed properly. But here's the good news. Bob's Red Mill Quinoa is pre-rinsed. That means you can skip the hassle of rinsing it yourself and go straight to cooking. All you need to do is follow the standard 2:1 water to quinoa ratio. 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of quinoa. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes. It cooks up fluffy, light, and with a subtle nutty flavor. Texture-wise, this quinoa is soft but not mushy, with a slight pop when you bite into it. Exactly what you want from properly cooked quinoa. It's incredibly versatile, whether you're using it as a base for a Buddha bowl, a filler in stuffed peppers, tossed into a salad, or replacing rice in a stir-fry. This quinoa adapts beautifully to both savory and sweet dishes. That might seem a little higher than bulk quinoa from big box stores, but what you're getting here is premium quality. Consistent performance, and the peace of mind that comes with trusted certifications, USDA organic, non-GMO project verified, and kosher. What really sets this quinoa apart, beyond the flavor and convenience, is the reliability. There are no unpleasant surprises, no stones, debris, or inconsistency in grain size. Every time you open a bag, you know what you're going to get. In summary, Bob's Red Mill Organic White Quinoa is a top-tier pantry staple. It's healthy, easy to cook, incredibly versatile, and backed by a brand that truly cares about quality. If you're serious about cooking with whole grains or just want a dependable source of plant-based nutrition, this one deserves a spot in your kitchen. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this quinoa before, drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how you prepare it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching.